Hello everyone, today we got a lot of breaking news. Listen to this right here. Luna 2.0. Here to prove there are people that burn the same hand on a hot stove every single day. Proving Einstein's theory of insanity, right? Luna 2.0, guys. The first one just went to zero, basically. The second one is here. I would just beware, right? Beware of these S coins and meme coins. And like at this point, whoever is invested into this, it's purely just 100% a gamble, right? I mean, all trust has been lost, in my humble opinion, guys. Bitfinex is out. Listen to this right here, guys. Things are getting weird here. Tether co-founder, when asked if people holding tethers will be able to get all of their money, quote, "I can't guarantee anything, but I truly believe that," end quote. Don't verify. Believe two-time convicted liars under DOJ criminal investigation for bank fraud, right? Listen to this.
And you can guarantee that anybody who's holding Tether then will never get less than $1 back for $1 of the Tether they hold?
I can't guarantee anything. However, I truly believe that.
Tether XX said to face bank fraud probe, right? So, what a very awkward response. Again from Bitfinex, which connects, weird. All of the Tether bros suddenly dumping all of their tethers just before the 1-year mark. Wondering if something is about to go down. As we see, nearly a year ago, right, this took place. But people still weirdly trust Tether. This symbol, right, we see the logo on Tether, looks like an explosion, awaiting on itself. Tether executive set to face criminal probe into bank fraud. Come on, guys. DOJ examining whether banks were misled about crypto business. Tether says it's committed to cooperating with law enforcement. I'll just be careful, guys, right? At the end of the day. Now, if we quickly check on Tether right here, we do see, is it pegged or no? Doesn't seem like it's pegged, guys. Still to this day, right? Very weird on what's happening over here. Guys, something weird is happening in the crypto sphere. Celsius is a Ponzi, a pump and dump, and a systemic risk to the crypto ecosystem, all in one. Celsius network price chart. Guys, look at that. At this point, it seems like every coin is about to have this type of move down, right? This coin seems like it's dying already. What was it? If we go back here, search Celsius up, we find that it's at 53 cents. All-time high was at $8. All the way back to 2020 levels, guys. That's absolutely insane to think about, right? If these are the coins that are dumping heavily, imagine all the other coins that don't really have any use cases, right? Or anything of sorts. Just have a quick thought about it, guys, right? Now, listen to this right here from Digital Asset Investor. Bitcoin is only the opening act. We are talking trillions and trillions. This is why I will never stop buying the dips. I know how the story ends. My gut told me in 2013. Now I just know. Once the regulations are in place, the real opportunity will be passed. So we see right here Kevin O'Leary talking, but wait, before we do watch that video, watch my right hand while my left is in darkness. He never mentioned the coming rug pulls, right? So remember, many Ponzi's. Listen to this right here.
This asset to be a part of the real investment world is to get it regulated. Any of these assets, pick one. I personally would like to see stablecoins regulated first because it's easier to do that. But whatever happens, we need regulation because then here's why this works. So you want to have a 1% weighting in a $100 billion fund. A fund like that would have no more than 20% in any one of the 11 sectors of the S&P and no more than 5% weighting in any one stock or bond. That is a classic diversification strategy for long sovereign wealth, where trillions and trillions of dollars live every day. And so they would like to have 1 to 3% in Bitcoin. It's the one they want to start with. It's the granddaddy crypto. It's the one that's the biggest opportunity and the one that, frankly, the managers understand, because it's been in front of everybody since the beginning of cryptocurrencies. If we get that regulated, they'll start putting on 50 to 100 basis point weightings. And then what you'll see happen, besides increased demand, you'll see less volatility, because when you have a 1% allocation, it sells down, you buy back to 1% by market close. And of course, crypto is 24/7. So they'll buy it back up to 1%. If it exceeds, if it jumps and doubles in price, they'll sell it back down. But they are the market. They are the bid forever. And everybody else benefits from the fact that the stability and the volatility is reduced dramatically, and the price will be significantly higher over time if, Mooch is right. And this is a property, they'll allocate it like they do real estate. And they could, in the context of crypto, go up to 20%. And I personally believe that crypto in the next decade will become the 12th sector of the S&P, because it is so strong a potential for reduction in fees, transparency, auditability, and just better financial services globally, that it'll make its way there. But it can't happen until somebody starts to regulate it. Now, good news, we've got the Loomis bill, we have the Haggerty bill, we've got the Toomey bill, we've got bipartisan effort. I think all three of us have been to the Hill multiple times to talk to these senators, to talk about, give us the code, regulate it, and then, when that happens, Katie, bar the doors. Watch what happens. I think it's that simple.
I have a few thoughts here.
Regulated. Come on, guys. We know these. A lot of coins have to go, right? Listen to this right here. This is how we know XRP will survive, though. Listen to this. The Consumer Financial Protection 2019. The continued growth and expanding partnerships of virtual currency companies, by the way, such as Ripple, which offer both a payments messaging platform to support cross-border money transfers, as well as virtual currency XRP, which can be used to effect settlement of those transfers. Listen to this, guys. The Bureau also believes that expanded adoption of SWIFT's GPI product or RIP products could similarly allow banks and credit unions to know the exact final amount that recipients of remittance transfers will receive before they send the transfer, right? So if Ethereum is to be allowed to trade freely in the market, so too must XRP. And if XRP is to be subject to restrictions, so too should Ethereum. Any other result creates a competitive imbalance that cannot be rationalized with reference to fair enforcement of the federal securities laws, right? So again, we know the whole system is corrupt at the end of the day, guys, right? They say all roads lead to Rome, which is Ripple and XRP. All paths will lead to Ripple XRP. Look at that. Literally so many different ways, right? But the heart is XRP, Ripple itself. This is why in a new financial system, when it's born and ready, XRP rises like never before, right? The price just goes up and never stops. Now, aside from those topics, let's talk about the price of XRP really quickly. Whatever happens in the next couple of months, in my opinion, this bear market will be the last time the majority of us will be able to afford sizable bags. What a beautiful statement right here, right? So that's the same thing I believe as well, guys. This will be what I call, right, what Wooston calls as well, the last train event, right? The last opportunity you will get to buy at very, very, very dirt cheap prices, which can literally turn you into a rich or wealthy person, right? Generational wealth. Basically, financial freedom at the end of the day, guys. This is why I'll be buying if we do crash lower, right? Which I do believe is coming. I do believe first a relief pump, then all the way back down, and that's the final train event. Mr. Level Up has tweeted out, in the history of XRP, we have never pierced the bottom of the weekly RSI. Second to last indicator row on my chart, as we see right there. So basically, this is an interesting perspective, guys. All the indicators, right? Look at this. Everything seems to me that it's all oversold, right? Everything is oversold. Look at that. Territories there, and come on, guys. What's happening? This is how we know we are so close. If we haven't bottomed out already for XRP, we are very near to be bottoming out soon. I'm thinking 1 to 2 months maximum, right, for us to bottom out. But it could happen a lot sooner than that. Who really knows? But again, guys, I'll prepare if we do go lower. But obviously, none of this is financial advice at the end of the day. But again, amazing buying opportunity as we see in front of our faces. But I'll just wait a little bit longer to see if we could get cheaper prices, guys, right? One last time. But anyways, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please leave a like, subscribe, so if you're around, amazing day, and guys, see ya.